My wife's in the kitchen cooking, and she don't want to be bothered by this, so I thought I'd show you. Got a piece of garlic. I saw this. I mean, I hate peeling this stuff. Take it, put it in a bowl. So, 2 metal bowls. Got 2 metal bowls. Just the sound alone will get everybody's attention. Buddy. Yep, peeled. Peeled. You have to take out a lot of the, whatever you call this stuff, the wrappings or whatever, and then take all the ones that are there, or what you call, get the wrapping off. There we go. So you get all the good ones out, you get the wrappings off, then you continue on. Just wanted to show you all the peeled garlic we got. Got a few more left over here. So we'll finish these. Well, you know about that. Let's see. 1, 2. Yeah. Just to cut 3. 3 out of about 8 cleaned up. So I think the rest of them will be fine. Anyway, you kind of get the idea.